Today we are going to talk about multiplying integers. When we multiply integers, we have two rules that we follow. The first rule is that when we have the same sign, so we are multiplying together two integers that have the same sign, our product, the answer to our multiplication problem, will be positive. Okay, so if we're multiplying a positive times a positive, we will have a positive product. And if we are having multiplying a negative times a negative, because they're the same, they're both negatives, our product will also be positive. Same sign, positive. Our second rule is that when we have different signs, we are multiplying different signs together, our product, our answer will be negative. So if I'm multiplying positive times negative or negative times positive, it doesn't matter if our two factors are different, then we will get negative products. So let's go ahead and give this a shot. Let's start with one that we know. We know that 3 times 7, okay? 3 is positive and 7 is positive. We know that 3 times 7 is 21. This also proves our first rule, right? 3, positive 3 times positive 7 leads us to positive 21. Let's try another example here. If I have negative 4 and I multiply by negative 5, what will my answer be? Well, I notice that I have two negatives. Both of my factors are negative, meaning that my answer, my product, will be positive. The same sign means that we will have a positive product. Then I just multiply my numbers like I normally would. 4 times 5 is 20. Therefore, negative 4 times negative 5 is equal to positive 20. Let's try one more like this. If we've got positive 8 times negative 4, what will be our product? Well, again, I go ahead and look and I see that this is positive and this is negative. Those signs are different. Therefore, my answer is going to be negative. Okay, so I always check those signs first, determine my product sign, and then I go back and say, okay, now 8 times 4 regularly would be 32. Therefore, positive 8 times negative 4 will get me negative 32. Now, sometimes you might get a 3-step. So you'll have a multiplication problem with 3 factors. That might look like this. Negative 3 times negative 2 times positive 5. When we see a 3-factor multiplication problem, we want to do it part by part. So we'll do this first little bit first. We always want to go in order, moving left to right. So we'll do negative 3 times negative 2 to start. Again, I see the same sign. Therefore, my answer will be positive. And then 3 times 2 is 6. So then I have positive 6, and I bring down what I haven't used yet, which is times positive 5. Now, I also have positive and positive. That means my answer will be positive. 6 times 5 is 30. So negative 3 times negative 2 times 5 equals positive 30. I chunked it. I went in order and did my first 2 factors. Once I got my product of the first 2, I multiplied by my third factor, which was positive 5, getting me a positive 30. Let's try another one like that. We've got 4 times negative 5 times 6. What would our product be for this 3-factor multiplication problem? Again, we're going to go ahead and chunk it. So we start here with 4 times negative 5. That's a positive and a negative. That means our product will be negative. 4 times 5 is 20. I bring down multiplication and my 6. Again, I've got a negative and a positive. Those are different signs, meaning my product will be negative. 20 times 6 is 120. Therefore, my product of my three-factor multiplication problem is negative 120.